Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful laptops Apple has ever released, the 2024 MacBook Pro with the M4 Max chip. This model isn't just a spec bump, it's a serious leap forward in performance and capability, designed for creatives, developers, and professionals who need raw power, seamless multitasking, and cutting-edge visuals. From its stunning display to its unmatched battery life, this machine sets a new bar for what a laptop can be in 2024. Right off the bat, the design remains classically sleek, with the new space black finish giving it a bold, premium feel. It's solid, well-balanced, and unmistakably Apple. Despite all the power inside, the laptop stays impressively slim and portable for a 16-inch model. It still has that minimalist MacBook vibe, but the weight and finish make it feel even more substantial, like a machine that means business. And if you're someone who appreciates both aesthetics and durability, this is a very satisfying device to work with every day. Now let's talk about that 16.2-inch liquid Retina XDR display. It's absolutely jaw-dropping. Whether you're editing HDR content, color grading film, or just watching Netflix, the depth of contrast, brightness levels, and color accuracy make this screen a joy to use. The promotion refresh rate adds that buttery smooth scroll and interaction that you don't really appreciate until you go back to a standard 60Hz panel. If your work is visual or design intensive, this display alone could make the MacBook Pro worth it. Under the hood, you've got the M4 Max chip with a 16-core CPU and a monstrous 40-core GPU. This is where Apple completely dominates the game. Everything feels instant: launching apps, rendering 3D models, editing 8K video, compiling code, running simulations, you name it. And what's incredible is that it does all this while remaining nearly silent and cool to the touch. It's not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance that adapts to your workflow without draining your energy or patience. And speaking of workflows, 48 GB of unified memory and a 1 TB SSD give you plenty of room to breathe. You can have dozens of tabs open, stream, edit, run virtual machines, and still not see a hiccup. The unified memory system Apple uses means everything from RAM to GPU memory is shared fluidly, and that's a big reason the performance feels so seamless. If you work with massive files, creative suites, or data-heavy applications, you're not going to feel bottlenecked here. What really pushes the MacBook Pro ahead of the curve, though, is how well it handles long sessions. Battery life is exceptional. Apple claims up to 21 hours of use, and in real-world terms, you can get through an entire workday of demanding tasks without needing to plug in. Plus, the inclusion of multiple Thunderbolt ports, HDMI, an SDXC card slot, and MagSafe charging gives you the flexibility and connectivity that Pro users genuinely need. On the software side, everything just works. macOS Ventura and soon Sequoia is fast, stable, and beautifully optimized for the M4 Max chip. Features like Stage Manager, Quick Note, and Universal Control feel more useful with all this power behind them. And if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem using an iPad, iPhone, or Apple Watch, then you'll appreciate how effortlessly everything syncs. It's a productivity dream, especially if you value continuity across your devices. To sum it all up, the 2024 MacBook Pro with M4 Max is the definition of overkill for the average user, but an absolute godsend for professionals who push their machines to the limit. It's not cheap, but what you get is unmatched power, a gorgeous display, phenomenal battery life, and a user experience that's polished to perfection. Whether you're a filmmaker, engineer, software dev, or digital artist, this is a machine you can depend on for years. Let us know in the comments what you think. or if you'd like a deep dive into real-world benchmarks and creative workflows using this beast.